Ever feel like your music is moving around as you turn your head on your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro? That's actually a feature, and you can turn it on or off anytime. Just head into your phone settings. Go to Bluetooth and tap on your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. First, just scroll a little and tap on Head Gestures. Go ahead and turn it on. Now scroll down a bit. You'll see how it actually works. When a call comes in, you don't even need to touch your phone. Just nod your head like yes to accept the call or shake your head like no to decline it. Super simple and honestly, one of the most useful features once you get used to it. Now, let's level things up a bit. For a more immersive sound experience, try 360 audio with head tracking. Once you're inside, look for Sound Quality and Effects. Now you'll see 360 audio. This is what creates that immersive, surround-like sound. Turn that on first, and right below it, you'll find head tracking. You can just switch that on as well. Now, when you start playing music or watching something, try moving your head left or right. You'll notice the sound kind of shifts direction, like if you turn your head to the right, the audio feels louder on the left side, and vice versa. It gives you that real, almost cinematic feel, like the sound is coming from your screen instead of your earbuds. But yeah, not everyone enjoys this effect, especially for music. If it feels a bit weird or distracting, you can always go back to the same place and turn it off anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to turn head gestures on or off and control how your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro sound. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for your time.